it's impossible, just makes us wanna do it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited because we're checking out the brand new product, the Godox IA32 Universal Camera Flash. And trust me, this little guy is about to change the game. At first glance, the IA32 looks super sleek, small, lightweight, and honestly, it has a cool modern retro vibe. But it's not about looks. This flash is built to work with almost any camera, Sony, Canon, Nikon, you name it. Mounting the IA32 is super simple, and because it's universal, you don't need to worry about complicated adapters or extra parts. The flash power is awesome, bright, clean, and surprisingly powerful for its size. Whether you're shooting portraits, events, or just everyday photos, the IA32 brings the light exactly where you need it. What I personally love is the size. You can literally throw this flash in your bag or even your pocket and always have extra light when you need it. Here's what I love about the Godox IA32. It's super portable, it's truly universal, and it delivers great light quality. And honestly, no major cons yet for me, just pure simplicity and performance. If you're looking for a flash that's easy to carry, powerful, and works with almost any camera, the Godox IA32 might just be your new best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to full photography test with this flash. Catch you in the next one, and remember, stay creative. If you like our background music, check the audio.
These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hans AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.
They'll never keep